How home tile and stone works. Independent guidance for your tile project. Most tile problems happen long before the first tile is installed. That's why I created Home Tile and Stone to give homeowners independent guidance before costly mistakes happen. Whether you're just starting to think about a remodel, selecting tile and materials, reviewing contractor proposals, or already in construction, I can help you make informed decisions at every stage of your project. You can book a 30-minute consultation directly through the link in my bio. Simply send photos, plans, product information, or your questions ahead of time, and we'll review your project together. I can help you evaluate tile selections, shower systems, layout ideas, substrate preparation, waterproofing methods, and installation details before they become expensive problems. If you're still gathering information, I also offer a homeowner toolkit that walks you through the key phases of a tile project and what to look for at each step. But the highest value comes from reviewing your specific project before installation begins, or while construction is still underway. With more than 35 years in the tile and stone industry, I'm a certified tile consultant through CTIOA, a certified flooring inspector through CFI, and a consulting member of the National Tile Contractors Association. My role isn't to sell products or installations, it's to provide homeowners with independent, unbiased guidance so they can make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. If you'd like expert guidance tailored to your project, book a 30-minute consultation through the link in my bio. Beautiful tile starts with what you don't see.